Welcome back to my channel where we dive deep into the realm of personal growth and success. Today, we're about to embark on an exhilarating journey, exploring the electrifying world of motivation for wealth. Get ready to unleash your inner drive and witness the magic of abundance unfold in your life. So, grab your pens, buckle up, and let's set sail. Picture this: you wake up every morning, feeling motivated, energized, and ready to conquer the world of financial prosperity. Now that's what I call living the dream. Motivation for wealth isn't just about swimming in stacks of cash like Scrooge McDuck. It's about embracing a mindset and taking action to create abundance in every aspect of your life. So, get ready to rock your financial world. Before we plunge into the treasure trove of motivation, let's redefine wealth. It's not just about swimming in a vault of gold coins like our friend Scrooge. True wealth encompasses financial stability, personal fulfillment, and the ability to make a positive impact on the world. So, let's dig deep and uncover the gems of prosperity. Ah, the elusive why, the secret sauce that fuels your financial fire. Take a moment to ponder, my friends. Why do you want to chase those stacks of cash? Is it to buy a private island where you can sip piña coladas all day? Or maybe it's to make sure your family never has to eat instant noodles again. Discovering your true motivations will ignite a roaring inferno of determination within you. Now that we've uncovered the hidden treasures of your why, let's chart our course towards success. Clear, precise goals are your compass in this vast ocean of wealth creation. Think smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break down those big dreams into manageable chunks, and watch your motivation grow with every step you take. Alright, adventurers, time to flex those mental muscles. Embracing a growth mindset is like getting a map upgrade for your brain. Believe that your skills, abilities, and financial knowledge can grow with dedication and hard work. Treat failures as mere bumps in the road, and let challenges be your stepping stones to success. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. Here's a little nugget of wisdom. Success loves company. Surround yourself with people who radiate positivity and inspire you to reach for the stars. Seek out mentors, join mastermind groups, or simply engage with like-minded individuals who share your burning desire for financial triumph. Remember, iron sharpens iron, and motivation thrives in a tribe. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to put on your action hats. Motivation without action is like a ship stuck in a harbor. It ain't going anywhere. Break those goals into bite-sized chunks, and take inspired action every single day. Remember, even the tiniest steps lead to mighty treasure chests. So, hoist the anchor, and let's set sail towards your financial dreams. Ahoy, sailors! It's time to celebrate those epic milestones on your journey to wealth. Throw a party, treat yourself to a fancy dinner, or maybe even do a victory dance in your living room. No judgment here. Acknowledge and reward yourself for every step forward, big or small. Celebrate the wins, and let the winds of motivation push you even further. Here's a fun fact for you. There's enough wealth in the world for everyone to enjoy. So, let's embrace an abundance mindset and cheer on our fellow adventurers. Instead of getting green with envy when someone strikes gold, let their success be a source of inspiration. Remember, the more you celebrate others' triumphs, the more you attract abundance into your own life. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, the secrets to unlocking your inner drive and tapping into the boundless power of motivation for wealth. So, arm yourself with your why, set sail with clear goals, flex that growth mindset, and take inspired action every day. Remember, the treasure of financial abundance is waiting for you. So go out there and claim it with a smile on your face. Until next time, happy sailing!